You guys, this is what I'm talking about. Oh wow, this is cool. Okay, and just in time, the rain's starting to pick up. Oh man. Good morning everybody, and welcome back to the channel. I got to Watkins Glen State Park last night, and it is very beautiful out here. This is probably one of the most beautiful forests I've ever camped in. I'm really glad I chose this state park to stay in. And also, I finally get to get out and do a hike today. I was wanting to do more hikes on this trip. Technically, I guess yesterday at Niagara Falls was a hike, but this one I'm out in the middle of the woods, and this right here is my element. Out in nature, I love it. So let me go ahead and take you outside real quick and show you around the camp spot, and then we'll head out on the hike. All right, this is my camp spot. Check out these woods. I mean, it is so pretty out here. So I didn't need any electric or water hookups, so I just got a tent site. And as you can see, look what I got. I didn't sleep in this last night. However, I just recently bought this, and since I had enough room out here, I thought I would set it up and see what it looks like, and I really like it. It's just a cheap one-person tent from Walmart, and I bought it because I wanted to start doing some tent camping this summer, and I just wanted to buy a cheap one that'll get me started, and then later on I can buy a more expensive one. So this site doesn't have any electric or water hookups, which isn't a big deal because I've got my electric system in my van hooked up and I've got plenty of power. I don't have any firewood with me. However, the office up at the front does sell firewood. It's supposed to rain today, so I don't know if I'm going to be able to build a fire or not. It rained yesterday too, which honestly I didn't even mind because it was so peaceful. I had another peaceful night's sleep last night and it was amazing. But if it doesn't rain too bad, I may go up there and buy some firewood and build a fire tonight. I do plan on cooking tonight as well, so I'm excited for that. But now I'm gonna get everything gathered up and head out on my hike. That sign back there said stop. But I think that's for vehicles because it says that the Gorge Trail is for pedestrian use only, so I think they just have that up there so vehicles don't drive down here. Also, I saw online somebody commented that this was really busy yesterday, or maybe the day before yesterday. So that's the reason why I wanted to get up early and get out here. It's like 8 o'clock in the morning right now, and well, I can hear a few people down there, but hopefully it won't be too bad. Wow, this is cool. Hopefully once I get down here I can get a better shot. Check out these rock walls. That looks so cool. I'm just making my way down to the bottom of this gorge. It is beautiful down here. Honestly, I'm kind of glad it rained last night because now there's water dripping down all of these walls. My camera died, so I have it in my backpack charging for a while, so I hope you can hear me. I waited until I was out of the roaring waters to talk. This is beautiful out here. I'm definitely glad I chose this state park to stay at. The trail is nice. The gorge is awesome. Yeah, I love this. And it's starting to rain a little bit, which it's just sprinkling, so it's not too bad. And it just adds to it, in my opinion. What is that ahead? This trail just keeps getting better and better. Well, it's probably a good thing my camera died because it's pouring down rain now. Luckily, my GoPro can handle it. All right, I made it. I made my way to the end of the trail. So now I got to go back up. Well, I came out here to start cooking and it started raining again, so it's been raining off and on all day today. I think I'm gonna give it another minute or two and then try again. Hopefully it don't rain on me this time. So don't judge me too much, but I'm making the same thing I made in my last video where I cooked. And that is Jimmy and Natalie's chicken taco soup. I'm making this for two reasons. One, I was at the store the other day trying to figure out what I wanted to make, and this sounded good, so I got the stuff for it. And two, it's very easy to make. Now, this is going to be a lot for just me, but I bought bowls so I could save the leftovers. And I think it's going to start raining again. Hopefully it will hold out. I enjoyed the rain earlier when I was hiking, because it just made it even more beautiful out. But now I kind of need the rain to hold off for just a second. And I thought I brought a big spoon that would be a whole lot easier to stir this around with, but I guess a spatula will work. Ah, no, don't rain. But at least I'm able to use my table for the first time. I'm very happy that I decided to put this table in because it's very useful. Ah, it's gonna rain on me. Oh. Ever since I first had this, it's quickly become one of my favorites. It is so good. It's almost done and the rain is starting to pick up a little bit. I just need a few more minutes. I think my propane, this one propane tank has lasted me a long time. And I think it's finally gone out. But it smells good. Okay, I think it's done now. A large spoon would have been a whole lot easier for this part too. Okay, and just in time, the rain's starting to pick up. Oh man. All right, and I added a little bit of hot sauce to it as well. It's really good. So, I'm gonna kick back, eat dinner, watch a little bit of TV, and then probably do a little bit more editing. So I'll pick you guys back up a little bit later. Good morning, everybody. So this morning I was gonna film packing everything up. However, it started raining while I was packing up. So I didn't want to get my camera out in the rain. So just got everything as quickly as I could packed, and now I'm ready to head down to Virginia. But I think that's where I'm gonna end it this week. Thank you all so much for watching this video. I really appreciate it, and I will see you next Tuesday.